in the Grand Library. This place is so fucking cool. Luttrellstown Castle. What a beautiful place. Just stunning castle grounds. Let's go back into the library and see if we can find ourselves a secret passageway. We're in an old castle. All old castles have secret passageways. And there's no better spot for a secret passageway than an old library room like this. Alright, where's the... Is it this one? Nope. Found the secret passageway. God, this place is beautiful.
Yeah, the celery and black
Oh boy.
So good. And we were kind of like, we probably would know, we probably would
What do we got
have
here,
chosen
Beck?
that if like she wasn't like,
Hey.
like you have to get it.
Oh boy. This is insane. All right, we're continuing the castle tour. Each room has its own name. And we are in the Millennium room. Look at this beautiful 4-poster bed. And who's this man here? Looking off into the majestic distance.
Is this our night?
A knight in farting armor.
and farting armor.
Coming through, coming through.
The bathroom is as big as the bedroom.
Oh my. Look at the majesty. Oh, holy shit, look at this thing.
What is that?
Oh my god. Alright, I may need to get video later of Aaron in the shower.
Just sitting in the shower.
Yeah.
Sitting.
Yeah.
What in the world?
Shit, and then here's the toilet.
All by itself.
All by itself.
Dude, I love this.
Alright, come on. Let's see if we can find another secret passage. Let's see what's in this door. Found a secret staircase. Let's see where this hidden staircase leads. we are again continuing our tour of Luttrellstown Castle. Stunning castle here in Ireland, outside Dublin. This place is unbelievably beautiful. Wow. You look at this place. Come on. Come on. Castle is too fucking much. It's just too fucking beautiful. God, look at the red vines. So we're here at the right time of year. In the dead of winter, it's all dead. During the summer, I've seen pictures of this place. In the summer, these are all green vines. But we're here at the most perfect time of year where all the leaves lined up along the castle turn red. And it's absolutely beautiful. The castle is just stupid beautiful. Oh my god. Come on. Look at this. Unbelievable. And now they're setting up the archery stands for later.
Got it. Beautiful.
Look at this assortment of beautiful Irish coffees. Oh yeah, let's get that on video. It's just what you need on a cold day. Cheers. Oh, it's coming out.
It's blowing out.
Cheers.
Cheers.
This cream is so good.
So darn good. Come on. Just riding our bike through the countryside on the castle grounds. Oh, look who's there. Oh boy. We were biking off into the abyss. Oh, where's the brakes on this thing? Wow. Look at this spot. And we got 1% left of battery. And let's see what we can get before we lose it. Look at this place. Wow. am in an old castle. So cool. Look at this. Hey, back. What do you think, Beck?
It's like, there's like a whole like...
There was something here before. So cool. What a spot. This was so friggin' cool coming down here. Rode our bikes about a mile off property, found this old ruined castle. We don't even know the story behind it, but it's old ruined castle bits and it's super friggin' cool. This is what I love about Ireland. Amazing castle ruins everywhere. Greenery, water, adventure. Absolutely love this country.
Yes, we do.